All right, you guys, so we're on part 2 of this polygon page, and we just got through highlighting all of the parallel sides. Our square had a purple pair and a yellow pair. Our rectangle had a purple pair and a yellow pair. Our trapezoid only had a purple pair because these two lines cross over if they keep going. So we're going to say the trapezoid only has one set of parallel lines. The rhombus had a purple pair of parallel lines and a yellow pair. And our hexagon and our octagon had lots of pairs. We had the top and the bottom, we had this side and this side, and we had this side and this side all running parallel, because if you look at the lines, they're going the same way. The octagon had even more. The octagon has a parallel top and bottom. The top and bottom run the same way. The two sides run the same way. This side and this side go the same way, and this side and this side go the same way. So if the page wants us to just find the shapes that have at least one set or more of parallel sides, one set or more, then these are the shapes we're going to say. We've got our square, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus, hexagon, octagon. So let's go ahead and write those in there. We've got our square. We have our rectangle. We have our trapezoid, our rhombus. There we go. Let's move him up. We have our hexagon. Remember, hexagon has 6 sides. They both have an X, remember? And our octagon, like an octopus, has 8. So there we go. Last question. How is a trapezoid different from a rhombus? So let's take a look. Here's our trapezoid. Here's our rhombus. Well, we have to figure out what makes them different. So let's take a look. They both have 4 sides, so that's not what's different. They both have a purple set of parallel lines, so that's not what makes them different. What seems to make them different is the second set of parallel sides. You see how a rhombus, the two sides go in towards each other, so they're not parallel. And on the rhombus, the second side, the sides go the same direction, so they are parallel. So the trapezoid has one set of parallel lines, where the rhombus has 2 sets of parallel lines. And that's the difference between these two shapes. So we're going to go ahead and write that as a sentence. The trapezoid has, let's move that up because that's bothering me. The trapezoid has one set of parallel sides, comma, and then down here we're going to say, but the rhombus has 2 sets of parallel sides. And that's what makes them different. They're both quadrilaterals. They both have 4 sides making them quadrilateral. They both have a parallel top and a parallel bottom. They don't both, however, have parallel sides. That's just our rhombus. The trapezoid, it's only the top and bottom. The rhombus, we have a parallel top and bottom and a parallel side to side. So hopefully that helped you guys. If you have any questions, post them in Google Classroom, and I will talk to you later.